Hello food lovers, Reggae Roots Market bringing you a tasty treat. Today we journey to the vibrant island of Jamaica to discover a culinary delight festival bread. Imagine this, soft, slightly sweet golden brown breadsticks. They are crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. That's festival bread. Festival bread is a staple in Jamaica. No beach trip is complete without it. No street food stall is the same without its aroma. It's more than just bread. It's a symbol of Jamaican culture and hospitality. Every bite takes you straight to the heart of Jamaica. You can almost hear the reggae music and feel the warm Caribbean sun. Ready to bring a taste of Jamaica to your kitchen? Let's make some festival bread. Before we begin our culinary adventure, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, we only need a few simple things, probably already in your pantry, or you can get these from Reggae Roots Market. 2 cups all-purpose flour. This is our base, giving the festival bread its structure. 1 teaspoon baking powder, for that lovely light and airy texture. Half a teaspoon salt, just a pinch to enhance the flavors. 2 tablespoons sugar, a touch of sweetness to balance the flavors. 1½ cups cornmeal. This adds a beautiful golden color and a slightly grainy texture. 3/4 cup water, to bind all the ingredients together. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, for a softer texture and easier kneading. That's it. Simple, right? Now that we have everything, let's learn a bit more about the history of this Caribbean treat. The exact origins of festival bread are a bit of a mystery. Some say it originated centuries ago with the arrival of African slaves. They brought their culinary traditions and techniques, shaping Jamaican cuisine. Others believe it emerged later, inspired by similar fried dough recipes from other cultures. Regardless of its precise beginnings, festival bread has become a cherished part of Jamaican heritage. It's a testament to the island's rich cultural tapestry. It represents the fusion of flavors and traditions that make Jamaican food so unique. Today, festival bread is enjoyed by all generations. It's a reminder of home, family, and good times. Now, let's put our ingredients to use and create some magic in the kitchen. In a large bowl, mix the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar. This dry mix will be the foundation of our festival bread. Gradually add the cornmeal to the dry ingredients, mixing well. This step ensures an even distribution of that lovely cornmeal flavor and texture. Slowly pour in the water and oil, mixing until a dough forms. Don't overwork it, we want a soft and slightly sticky dough. Cover the bowl with a clean tea towel and let the dough rest for about 30 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax, resulting in softer breadsticks. Divide the dough into small portions and roll them into finger-shaped sticks. Get creative with the shapes, it's part of the fun. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Carefully place the breadsticks in the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry the breadsticks until they turn a beautiful golden brown, turning them occasionally for even cooking. This process should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the golden brown breadsticks from the oil and drain them on paper towels. This removes excess oil, ensuring a crispy exterior. And there you have it. Your very own homemade Jamaican festival bread is ready to be devoured. Section 5, Festival Bread Secrets, Tips for Perfect Results. Alright, let's dive into some key tips. First up, don't overmix the dough. Overmixing can lead to tough breadsticks, so stop mixing once a soft, slightly sticky dough forms. Next, adjust the sweetness. If you prefer a sweeter bread, just add a tablespoon or 2 of extra sugar. Now, oil temperature is key. If the oil is not hot enough, the breadsticks will absorb too much oil and become greasy. But if it's too hot, they'll burn before cooking through. And don't overcrowd the pan. Give the breadsticks enough space to fry evenly. Fry in batches if needed. Lastly, keep them warm. For the best experience, serve the festival bread immediately after frying. Follow these tips and you'll be a festival bread pro in no time. Section 6. Golden and delicious, enjoying your homemade treat. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. Those golden brown, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside festival breadsticks are a testament to your culinary skills. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. Now, for the best part, the tasting. The breadsticks are delicious on their own. But for the true Jamaican experience, pair them with your favorite dish. Ready for a taste bud adventure? Let's explore some classic pairings. Section 7, Festival Bread's Perfect Partners, a Symphony of Flavors. Festival bread is incredibly versatile. Its slightly sweet flavor profile makes it the perfect accompaniment to various dishes. Here are some classic pairings that will transport your taste buds straight to Jamaica. jerk chicken. This iconic Jamaican dish with its smoky, spicy flavors finds its perfect match in the subtle sweetness of festival bread. The bread soaks up the delicious jerk sauce, creating a flavor explosion. Escovitch fish. The tangy, spicy, pickled flavors of escovitch fish find a beautiful balance in the sweetness of festival bread. It's a match made in culinary heaven. Ackee and saltfish, Jamaica's national dish, with its savory and salty notes, gets a delightful flavor boost from the slightly sweet festival bread. It's a classic combination for a reason. Section 8. Sharing the joy festival bread for every occasion. Festival bread is more than just a side dish, it's an integral part of Jamaican culture and celebrations. Whether it's a casual get-together with friends, a family feast, or a lively street party, festival bread makes an appearance. Imagine yourself at a bustling Jamaican street market, the air filled with the aromas of spices, jerk chicken grilling, and freshly fried festival bread. People from all walks of life come together, sharing laughter, stories, and of course, delicious food. That's the beauty of festival bread. It has the power to bring people together. It's a symbol of warmth, hospitality, and shared enjoyment. Section 9. A taste of home, recreating the magic of Jamaica. Making festival bread at home is more than just following a recipe. It's about connecting with the heart and soul of Jamaican cuisine. It's about experiencing the vibrant culture, the warmth of the people, and the joy of sharing good food with loved ones. So, gather your ingredients, put on some reggae music, and let the aromas of Jamaica fill your kitchen. With every bite of your homemade festival bread, you'll be transported to a place where the sun is always shining, the music is always playing, and the food is always delicious. Enjoy from Reggae Roots Market.